Hey guys, very big news today as Tesla launches $5 billion capital raise, tapping in on share surge. As long as you haven't been living under a rock, you'll know that Tesla had a 5-to-1 split and it has just been exploding recently. Pre-split, post-split, it just cannot stop growing. If you take a look at its one-year chart, at its lowest in its drop in March, it was only at $72. And as of right now, it's at nearly $500. Capital raise just means that the Tesla company are going to be offering more shares for the public and investors to buy. So let's take a look at this article and I'll give you my thoughts. Tesla Inc. on Tuesday unveiled its biggest program of new share sales as a public company, seeking to cash in on soaring Wall Street interest in the electric car maker to raise up to $5 billion that will ease future debt pressures. The move comes a day after a 5-for-1 stock split took effect, Tesla's first since its initial public offering in June 2010, and follows a nearly six-fold increase in the value of its shares. So Tesla is a very, very valuable company. It has been selling shares like hotcakes at not hotcake prices, but they still need more money to invest in their factories, to invest in producing new vehicles. Tuesday's share sale comes as Tesla seeks to massively expand production of its existing vehicles and build new factories near Berlin, Germany, and Austin, Texas. The company also plans to launch a new line of vehicles, including a semi-truck called the Tesla Semi and its futuristic Cybertruck. Tesla said it plans to use proceeds from the offering to strengthen its balance sheet and for general corporate purposes. So if you look at the Tesla website, you can see it mainly focuses on their vehicles for regular people to use. The truck and the Semi aren't even on their front page. They are in development. They are just dipping their toes in so many areas. This is not just a simple car company. They also have solar roof and solar panels. And in each car, there is essentially one of the most powerful computers you can get, and with one of the most advanced self-driving software that is constantly being updated and enhanced. And this is part of the reason why Tesla continues to grow. It's because of its diverse participation in all these different types of upcoming technologies that are really exciting and that will change lives if they are executed well. Craig Irwin, a Roth Capital Partners analyst who had the equivalent of a hold rating on the stock, said they will need cash for all the facilities they are building and new growth initiatives. 10 major banks, including Goldman Sachs, Bank of America Securities, Citigroup Global Markets, and Morgan Stanley, will conduct the sale, the electric car maker said in a filing, giving no deadline for its completion. David Whiston, an analyst at Morningstar Research, said it remained to be seen how much money Tesla will ultimately raise. The company had $8.6 billion in cash and cash equivalents at the end of June. With a market capitalization now around $465 billion, it became the world's biggest car company by value in July and has propelled Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk's personal fortune past $100 billion. So I think the key takeaway is they need more money to produce more factories to produce their products, and they want to strengthen their balance sheet. And that means that they want it to look prettier for investors. So even though they are currently one of the most valuable companies in the world, it doesn't mean that you stop there. They are a business, so no matter how much they're worth, they are always trying to get more value for their investors. They're always trying to make their balance look prettier because they want to grow more and more. And at their current evaluation, the business side hasn't really proven that they're worth that much, but people are excited about Tesla, and that value is the value that the public and all of us investors have given to it. So once they raise their money, maybe they could finally realize or show off that they are indeed worth that much and very likely continue to grow even more. This stock is insane. Every time I look at its stock prices, I don't feel like it's real. We haven't really seen anything like it. And if you think Tesla will experience a dip, I just remember what one article said, and that's that Tesla has laid behind it a field of dead bears. Everyone that thinks it's about to drop soon, they are always repeatedly wrong again and again. And as they launch more shares and they continue growing, this is a company you don't want to count out no matter what. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching.